The fourth technology LX faces stiff opposition from the USA, including the redesigned Cadillac Escalade, updated Lincoln Navigator, and newly introduced Jeep Grand Wagoneer, plus the much less highly priced, however older, Infiniti QX80. The American opponents are bigger with greater effective engines, but none involves the signature resale price of the LX. The outgoing LX 570 became woefully outclassed via its giant competitors, however nonetheless controlled to seize a loyal patron base. After testing the new LX 600 on-road and off-street in New Mexico, we are glad to file Lexus has progressed its flagship SUV in every measurable way. The previous LX changed into whatever, but subtle in the equal description applies to the brand new one. Lexus says that the 8 pillars were pulled rearward to create a cab backward design, but the first factor you are probably to notice is the larger spindle grille. It consists of 7 sets of floating bars as a part of its 3-dimensional form and endows the new LX with substantial presence. A overall of 7 colorings are on offer for the new LX. Atomic Silver, Caviar, and Nori Green Pearl are all no-fee options. Eminent White Pearl costs $500 and Manganese Luster is $595. Reserved solely for the F-Sport are either Black Onyx or the $500 Ultra White, but this model can also be completed in Atomic Silver and Manganese Luster. It's pretty a reserved coloration palette, however this approach does healthy an automobile of the LX stature. Lexus has added a modernized powertrain for the 2022 LX 600. Gone is the big potential, naturally aspirated V8, and in its vicinity is a 3.5-liter dual turbocharged V6. This engine is familiar, serving below the hood of the Lexus LS 500 and new Toyota Tundra. A complete time 4-wheel power device transmits electricity to all 4 corners. The LX has by no means been about dramatically quick sprint times, however for what it's worth, the brand new version is quicker than the previous one. It takes 6.9 seconds for the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint and could hit a top pace of 130 miles per hour. Not only is the brand new LX 600 extra effective, but it is also lighter through up to 440 pounds. Torque is now produced lower within the REV variety, improving round city drivability. The towing capability is now 8,000 kilos, a beneficial increase of 1,000 pounds over the preceding version. A strength tailgate is a beneficial touch, whilst accessing the shipment region, and a kick sensor is prepared for most trims. The luxury version receives energy flat folding 0.33 row seats, and 1 contact automobile setup electricity folding seats are brought on upper trims. Unsurprisingly, interior storage space is generous. There is a huge console field. This is cooled on some models, door wallet, and multiple cup holders. Map pockets are located on the again of the first row seats, and the ultra luxury comes with a rear center armrest and storage table. For this and much more, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.